Hey guys, so I'm going to be doing the Nickelodeon slime kit. So basically it includes everything we need. So we're going to need 2 clear glues, 1 bottle of slime activator, 2 pots of colorant, which is color, for coloring, whatever. We're going to also be needing 2 bags of glitter, 1 measuring cup, 2 cups with lids, so that's where we store our slime when it's done, 3 slime sticks to mix, and mixing bowls. They get 2 mixing bowls, 1 spoon, and it's easy to follow the instructions. So let's get started. So guys, this is a little dirty because I already did it like the last round. So let me just get this bowl out, guys. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to be needing is some clear glue. We're going to be needing 15 milliliters of clear glue. So let me measure that in here. Okay, so guys, this is 15 milliliters. So now let me dump this in. You want to get as much glue as you can. So guys, it's all out of the container. So now I'm gonna mix this up, and then I'm gonna take it and put 20 milliliters of water. So let's get the water. And we're gonna measure 15 milliliters. 20 milliliters of water, I mean. So. Okay, no, that's too much.
20?
No, it's over. So I'm gonna pour some of it back in. Okay, there. Pour it in. And now, guys, I'm just gonna add in my glitter, half a bag. I'm gonna do purple. That's enough. Wait. Okay. I'm gonna mix it now. So this is basically a clear purple slime. Okay, guys. So now I'm gonna add in some activator, 5 milliliters. So I'm gonna measure it. Okay. So this is the slime activator.
Slowly stir in.
And this is the clear glue. So now I'm gonna pour it in and slowly mix it as I am. Okay. Oh, guys, it's so pretty.
Work it with your hands.
So now I'm gonna work it. Oh, it's just so good. Now I'm gonna get the rest out. So guys, I recommend you to get this. It's so cool, guys. So you guys can see it. It's so clear and so pretty. So I hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this. So yeah, peace guys.